guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my hot chocolate sticks 2 ways, so let's get right into it. So I'm starting with my melted chocolate and I'm going to pour that into my shot glass mold. If you don't have a shot glass mold, don't worry, because the second way that we're going to make these is with a cupcake tin, so yeah, don't worry about that. And you saw me just jiggle the mold, and I do that so that I can get as many of the little bubbles out so that the shot glasses are nice and smooth when they come out. So now I've filled them all up and I'm just shaking it once again, and I'm going to put these in the freezer for about 15 minutes. And now we're going to do the cupcake tin ones. So I'm just pouring some melted chocolate into my cupcake tin. You'd want to spray your tin with some cooking spray before you put your chocolate in so that it doesn't stick when it comes out. And I'm just filling that up to the top. I got some more chocolate. And yeah, you just want to pour them into as many of the tins as you want, and we're going to decorate the top. So you can see I'm doing marshmallows and some Christmas sprinkles. And some more marshmallows and sprinkles. And I also crushed up some candy canes and put that on some of them. You'll see that in the next clip. And we're going to stick our popsicle sticks into the middle of these. And that one fell over, but it's okay. I just pulled it right back up. And you want to refrigerate those until they are solid. And now we're taking out our shot glasses. Super easy, you just pop them right out. And honestly, if you want to just stop here and just use these as shot glasses and put some alcohol in there, you totally could. But we are making hot chocolate sticks in this video. So I'm taking some melted chocolate that I put into a plastic bag, and I'm just putting that around the rim of my shot glass. And I'm going to stick some marshmallows right around that rim, and you want to work kind of quickly because the chocolate will start to settle and won't be sticky. So yeah, just quickly put them around. If it does settle on you before you finish, just add a little dot more wherever it's settled, and then stick your marshmallows on. So that's that one, and for the next one I'm going to dip the rim into some melted chocolate and just dip it right into my Christmas sprinkles. And I'm going to dip another one in some melted chocolate, and this time I'm just shaking on some of the Christmas sprinkles that I had. So that is what they're looking like. They look so cute. I love them. And now I'm just going to fill up the middle with some melted white chocolate. I have no idea why that clip cut short. I don't know what happened to the footage, but you just want to fill it up to the top, and then you want to stick your popsicle stick in and then refrigerate that again until the chocolate in the middle hardens. And for one of them that I didn't fill up, I decided to drizzle some white chocolate on the outside, and I'll fill it up after. Looks super, super cute. And I also decided to add some white chocolate to one of the candy cane ones. So I'm just adding it to the back side. Super cute. And now I'm going to show you guys how this works. So I have a mug full of hot milk, and you want it to be nice and hot so that it melts your chocolate nicely. I'm stirring it around, and you see how it's just melting nicely. And that's how it will look. So bomb. And of course, we are about to do our taste test. We gotta taste it, see if it's hitting. And yep, it is. So there's our little dance party. It is bomb and perfect. So those are the shot glass mold ones that I just plated onto a serving platter with some Christmas parchment paper. And I didn't show me taking out the cupcake tin ones, but they're they just come right out. They're super easy. You just pull them right out. If they're giving you any difficulty, just tap the bottom of your pan with a metal spoon, and then they'll pop right out. And that's all of them together. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Send pictures if you make this.